We'll walk you through
How to use Blogger step by step for beginners.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
So, Blogger is a powerful tool that allows you to write your blogs, earn money, and also create different styles and themes customized to your preference when making a blog. Now, it is powered by Google, so you can make money from your blogs if you reach a certain threshold and a certain number of blogs, as long as you are active and engaged in your blog creation. So I'm just going to give you an overview. Once you create your account, this is the dashboard of the Blogger interface. And if you click on the top left corner here, this is the main menu. You can see we have the posts, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, themes, settings, etc. I'm going to walk you through how to create your own blog and also publish it. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to this little arrow drop down menu here. Once you click on it, you want to click on new blog. So the next thing you want to do is to write the title of your blog. So I'm just going to say the health guide as a title and click next. So the address is how people will find your blog online. So I'm just going to type in health blog, health guide as well. Sometimes it might not be available, so you might need to just add some numbers or just customize it. And as you can see, it's now available after adding some numbers to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and click save. All right, so the blog has been created. We can see it here. These are other blogs that I've written as well. And once your blog has been created, the next thing you want to do is to choose an appropriate theme for your blog. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on theme. And as you can see here, we have a whole bunch of templates that can be used. We have a travel template, food template or cuisines, and different options that are available to you. So the choices are infinite. So I'm just going to choose one that looks good. All right, so this one looks pretty cool. So let me just go with this one. All right, so once you have chosen that, you can go ahead to apply it. But first of all, let's go back to our main menu option here. So if you open the blog that you created, you're going to see that it's blank, and the themes would help you customize it to your preference. The colors, the style, the pictures, and the fonts that you would like to use for your blog. So I'm just going to go ahead to the theme again. This is the one that I've chosen, and you can preview it, but I'm just going to choose apply. All right, so you can see that your new theme has been applied successfully. If you go back to the preview and you refresh the page, you can see that it has updated and applied the chosen theme that we decided on. All right, so the next step is to go over to your posts, right, and then click on create new post. So you're going to be shown this display here where you can either write your blog post from scratch, or if you have it already written, you can just paste it on here. Or if you have a blog writer, you can just ask them to write it here as well. So we also have different options on editing tools like undo, paragraph, fonts, alignment, bold, italics, etc. Just like a normal writing template. So I already have a blog written related to health and weight loss. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it on here. All right, so I have copied the blog post that I wrote earlier, and I'm just going to paste it here. And as you can see, it's well written. You want to make sure to adjust the title as well. So I'm going to paste that here. How to lose weight and body fat the healthy way. No gimmicks, just science. All right, and so this looks good. And then I'm just going to click on preview post just to make sure everything looks good. And as you can see, this is how it looks like. Of course, you can make adjustments as per your preference. So I'm just going to go back here and add a picture to this blog post. So if you go over here, you can see insert image and upload from computer. I'm just going to click on that, and you can basically just drag a photo and attach it on here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this photo here, and let's wait for that to load. Once it is loaded up, it's going to be displayed at the bottom of your or the top of your blog post. So as you can see here, the picture has been added, and if I refresh the preview page, you can see this is how it looks like with the picture added. Of course, you can adjust the size. I'm just going to make it a little larger here. Right, that looks good. Just going to review it again. Yeah, so as you can see, I have my blog post written. You can check out how it looks on different display options, like on a tablet, on your phone, etc. Right, so once you're done with that, you can go ahead and close the preview page, and then go ahead and click on publish to publish your blog post. So once that's done, you can see that our blog has now been written easily. So the next thing you want to do is to go back to the part where it says view blog, and then click on it, and let's see how that looks with the theme that we applied earlier. So as you can see, this is the way our blog post looks. If you click on read more, you can see the entire thing, and it looks pretty good, looks pretty decent. So moving on, another thing that you need to take note of is the layout. So essentially, you can make adjustments to how the blog looks. If you're not comfortable with certain alignments or certain features, you can make adjustments to the search at the top of the blog, the header, and other features like the footer as well that you would want to customize on your blog. All right, so going back to the theme, I can go ahead and make some changes as well. So the image here looks pretty good, but I could change it as well. So I'm just going to click on change image, go over to health and beauty, and okay, this looks pretty good. I'm just going to click on it. Right. Or this one, let's see how that looks. Okay, no, I prefer this one. So I'm just going to click on done. And as you can see, it has been changed. And once you're done, you can click on the bottom right corner and save those changes. So going back, you can also check out the other features like your stats. This essentially shows all of the visits that you've had to your blog, all of the followers, the posts, comments, stuff like that. And when you click on comments, this displays all the engagements that you have on your blog. So all the comments will be shown here. You can manage it and apply different filters, respond to the comments, etc. And also we have the earnings feature. So this is a cool way to make money from your blog. There is a certain threshold that you would have to meet. You would need to have created at least 10 blogs and have a certain amount of engagement, and then Google pays you for every 1,000 views on your blog. It's important to have an AdSense account. If you already have one, you can just connect it directly. If you don't, you would need to create a new AdSense account. We also have the pages here that shows different pages on your blog post. Since we don't have one at this moment, nothing is going to be displayed here. And then we also have the settings where you can make adjustments to the description, your privacy settings, publishing, permissions, etc. So essentially, that is how you create a blog post on Blogger. Let's just take a look at how that looks again. And that's it, guys. Please let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.